Hello friends, let's now look at how to import the data as we saw in the last video. Now if you can see here, there are a couple of files and let's look at this file. Country wise product sales. So if I just open this CSV file, you can see that we have like country and then we have product and then we have sales. Okay. We can just write this as sales. Okay. All right. Now, so if you see, there are different countries and different products and different sales. So let us see how we can bring this on the graph. Okay. So first thing, let's close this, save it. Okay. Okay, don't save it, let it be. Go to the import from Excel. Then let's go to the file, which is here. Go to all files. So you'll get a product wise sales CSV file and then open. Now, as you know, the data gets imported and then you have different options here. But let's go with the first option, which is load. Now, the difference between load and transform data is the transform data will allow you to do some changes to the data before we actually load it. But that is for the next thing. Let's look at the load first. So let's go to load and click on load here. Okay. All right. So it's getting loaded here, the data, and let's wait for a minute. Okay, so we got 40 records, which is correct. And here on the right side here, you can see the data. That is the country, the product and sales. Okay. Now, if you want to visualize this data or you want to just take an example of how we can actually start creating our uh, graphs and charts, which is called as visualization or viz. You see the changes that have happened to Power BI desktop. Now you see that in this section we have got another way of looking at this window. That is, here it says build visuals with your data. So what we'll do is we will take one column chart or some kind of chart. Let's take any chart. Let's say let's take this. Okay. You can bring it anywhere. Just look at it like that. And here we can add the data. Okay. So, and if you look at this one, we have x-axis, y-axis, legend and all everything. So in the x-axis, let's go for a country. So let's go to country. So if I put this here, the country is in x-axis and let's take the sales in y-axis. Okay, that's it. So now if you see that you got here country and then you have sales here. So if you just expand this, okay, let us see if I can expand this little bit. So go here and expand it like this, bring it down and expand it much more like this. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so let's go to view and let's go to page view and actual size. So it is completely fitting the whole page. So let's go back to fit the page. So it goes like this and that's how it is. So if you see the way it is showing us, on the x-axis we have country and on the y-axis we have the sales figures. Okay. Now, if you want product, then this particular chart will not be useful. So this is only a good example so far. In the next video, we will explore much more different videos, visualizations, and check how we can you make use of uh, different data fields. So please practice this, and we'll take it to the next level in the next video. Thank you.